Welcome to this lesson on EC2 Auto Scaling, where we'll explore automatic capacity management for dynamic workloads. Auto scaling is a powerful feature that helps you maintain application performance while optimizing costs by automatically adjusting your compute resources based on actual demand. EC2 Auto Scaling automatically adjusts your EC2 instance capacity based on demand to maintain performance and optimize costs. When your application experiences high traffic, auto scaling scales out by adding more instances. During periods of low demand, it scales in by removing unnecessary instances, ensuring you only pay for what you actually need. An auto scaling group, or a SG, is a collection of EC2 instances that are treated as a logical grouping for scaling and management purposes. Every SG has three key capacity settings: minimum size, which is the minimum number of instances that must always be running; desired size, which is the target instance count you want to maintain; and maximum size, which is the upper limit on how many instances can be launched during scale-out events. Auto-scaling offers four types of scaling policies. Target tracking automatically maintains a specific metric at your target value, such as keeping CPU utilization at 50%. Step scaling scales your capacity based on CloudWatch alarm thresholds with predefined steps. Predictive scaling uses machine learning to forecast future demand and scale proactively before traffic spikes occur. Scheduled scaling allows you to scale at specific times based on known patterns, such as increased traffic during business hours. When setting up auto-scaling groups, you can use either launch configurations or launch templates. Launch configuration is the legacy option that cannot be modified after creation, has no versioning support, and offers limited features. Launch template is the modern, recommended approach that supports versioning, can be updated and reused across multiple auto-scaling groups, and provides more flexibility and features. Always use launch templates for new deployments. Auto-scaling groups continuously monitor instance health and automatically replace unhealthy instances to maintain your desired capacity. There are two types of health checks. EC2 status checks monitor the underlying EC2 instance status to detect hardware or software issues. ELB health checks use results from your load balancer to determine if instances are properly responding to requests. When an instance fails health checks, auto-scaling terminates it and launches a replacement. EC2 auto-scaling provides four major benefits. Cost optimization ensures you pay only for the resources you need when you need them, eliminating waste from over-provisioning. High availability automatically replaces failed instances and distributes them across multiple availability zones for fault tolerance. Performance maintenance ensures optimal capacity during demand spikes so your application remains responsive. Automation eliminates manual intervention, reducing operational overhead and human error in scaling operations. To recap, EC2 auto-scaling ensures optimal capacity management through automated scaling based on demand. Use auto-scaling groups to manage collections of instances with minimum, desired, and maximum capacity settings. Choose appropriate scaling policies that match your workload patterns, whether predictable or variable. Always enable health checks to automatically detect and replace unhealthy instances, ensuring your application remains highly available. With these fundamentals, you're ready to implement dynamic scaling for your AWS workloads.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.